Have you ever thought of creating content before? If so, you know how hard it can be. Because of that, I've decided to create a content system that is able to ideate, script, and track videos for me. But there's a problem. I don't have a website to show you all that showcases this system that I built. So in this video, I'm going to use Claude Code and Minimax's M2.7 model to go ahead and create a high converting website for my business. And you do the exact same thing for your business. So we head over to Minimax, you can see the token plan right here. And with the token plan, we can use our new M2.7 model and integrate with Claude Code so that we don't have to rely on, let's say, Opus, but instead we can rely on a model that has reportedly been able to eclipse Opus. So we're gonna try this out live. All right, so we have Minimax right here. Let's head to the API platform. Okay, using my test account, by the way. So head over to this, go ahead and copy that. So this is my Claude terminal. If you paste this and see we have the model switch to Minimax M2.7. It's going to go ahead and just run this. And all right, so we have our model. I want to make sure we're using the Minimax 2.7 model, but we'll do that because we have to make sure that the changes actually went through. And you can see right here, the variables route all epic out to Minimax model. Okay, so here we are using M2.7 model. That's perfect. So the model finalized and it's working with Claude, we can go ahead and actually start building. So make a quick hello world project. Okay, so here the nice hello world. Let's copy that. All right, hello world, there you go. It works, that's our test. So I copy this prompt right here. Paste this, wait a bit. This is me having Claude use a token plan and build out our website. Goes way a bit, and we're going to be capturing the person's email as well using resend. All right, you see the tasks. So all right, so just finished and we have the website live, and you see this is the dashboard that showed, and we can just go through everything else. It looks pretty good, honestly. Like, I'm going through it. It looks very nice. Click services, the pricing has each service. Okay, solid pricing. Okay, I think it's fairly priced. B2B, they could definitely afford something like this. We have FAQ section as well, and then we have our contact form. I might make this a Calendly link later on, but we can keep it for that. Web services. Set to resend now. Okay, so we're going to be doing at this point is we're going to get the resend API key so we can actually start grabbing emails so people go to my website, because we're building a waitlist for our website right now for our actual AI system. And once it's ready to be published and in production, we can go ahead and email our waitlist and they'll start buying. So just copy the API key, put it right here. You guys should be following along. Let's save that. All right, so I put the name, I put my email. Hopefully it works now. Click get early access, and the resend API key has successfully worked. We should be getting it to our email. Okay, there you go. New early access sign up. There you go. The resend API key worked. We are officially connected with the resend. So now we have a waitlist that works. Oh my God, there you go. That easy. Wow. This is way easier than I thought it would be. All right, so we're pushing this to GitHub, and now we're gonna deploy this. For those who don't know, we're using Vercel to deploy because it's probably the best platform in terms of hosting. I know they got hacked recently, but it's all good. They're good for the most part. So let's let Claude finish this up and push our changes to the GitHub repo, which we can then have it host on Vercel. All right, so we have Vercel. We're gonna log into Vercel real quick. All right, so let's go ahead. Okay, so everything is wired, it says. Vercel as well. So this is production URL, so that means everything should be good. It should be ready to be hosted. So if you click enter this, there you go. It's hosted. Our website is literally live on this link. If you're watching this video, you can go to this link right now. You should be able to check this website out. I'll just take it down by the time you're watching this video. But okay, make sure nothing broke on the hosting. View pricing. Nice. Okay, FAQ. Cool. Home again. Let's test the email one more time. Put like a fake email in. New one too. Get early access. Alright. Resend. Please work. Please work. Resend. There you go. rotation1@gmail.com. It worked. This is the last one we had. Alright, so everything's hooked up. Perfect. We have our waitlist officially live online. Wow. This is actually insane. Opus could never. So I see right here, I literally just built a complete agency website in under an hour using Minimax M2.7. 4 pages, modern design with working email captured, and it's deployed live on Vercel. And people will literally pay you thousands to build sites like this, which is absolutely crazy because you can see how fast it can be done, especially if you use a model like M2.7. Now, I would like to thank the sponsor Minimax for allowing me access to the M2.7 model. It's tied with Claude Opus on the hardest coding benchmark. It ships with the only all modality token plan on the market, and it just built me a multi-$1,000 agency looking website within under an hour. If you want to try the token plan for yourself, check the link in the description below for 12% off. Now, if you want to see how I sell websites and AI solutions, click this video next.